You see, when you have a major understanding of the market, this is what happens when you have a major understanding of the market. I'm trading Nasdaq, and I've been trading Nasdaq since last week. I've been trading Nasdaq since last week, and I'm using this strategy here. I'm actually combining this strategy with fundamental analysis. This isn't just technical analysis. This is also fundamental analysis. What I'm saying. So let me just place another horizontal line here, and then I'm going to change this horizontal line to 1480, 1450, what I'm saying, because I already have 14800, so this is 14850. I don't even know how to read numbers. Okay, so the market is already broken below 14850. Our take profits is on 14800. You get what I'm saying? Okay, sweet. So we're expecting the market to go up to 1000, this number, whatever it is, whatever number this is. We're expecting the markets to go up there and then make a pull down, all the way to 1400, for 14800, let me just say that. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, sweet. The next thing you should do once you've done your analysis that way, you must go to your browser and actually search for investors.com. Investor.com. You get what I'm saying? Yes. No, not this investors.com. Investors.com. Your investors.com is your website that's gonna show you the direction for the markets for the day. The futures edge lower after Nasdaq led retreats. Get what I'm saying? Your investors.com is your website that's gonna show you the direction for the markets for the day. The futures edge lower after Nasdaq led retreats. Get what I'm saying? It's under maintenance. Fine. Okay, so Nasdaq is pulling, is gonna make a pullback. Nasdaq is gonna make a pullback, but then after this pullback, Nasdaq is gonna go to our take profit deal. I've already placed my trades. On Nasdaq. This is German DAX, by the way. This is German DAX. I've been holding these trades for a while now. I've been holding these trades for 2 days. Oh, let's say we're expecting Nasdaq to pull back to 14850 before going down to 14800, of which if it breaks below 14800, it'll go down all the way to 14750 and then pull back to 14800 and then continue to go down. You get what I'm saying? This is the power of the strategy. But then we don't just use the strategy with just this technical analysis. We also combine fundamental analysis, of which I've already shown you how to do it. You get what I'm saying? So we already know that the market is gonna pull back. We're just gonna wait for the pullback before we take more entries, because I cannot just enter here. It's already at the bottom. Get what I'm saying, guys? Okay, sweet. So that's all I'm gonna show you for now, and then I'll continue in the next video that I'll upload. So make sure you continue to watch my videos. Make sure you subscribe. Do the most. I'll appreciate that. Thank you so much, guys. Peace out for now.